daughter Carly and grandson Walen.
Don't drop them.
And this is the start of her flower farm. When did you first plant these, Sweet Pea?
I seeded them inside, I think in January,
Mm-hmm.
and then put them out in February. And they do pretty well in the cold.
And here it is, end of May. And they're
They don't like the heat though, so once it gets really
stunning.
hot, they'll...
Yeah, we've had some hot days. Don't shake the flowers, honey. And so we're going to try and get some use out of these before it gets too hot. But they're a nice collection of our first bit of flowers. Say hi, Walen.
Hi.
Say bye from the Farm
Bye.
Wench Ranch from Wizard's Way Flower Farm.